Let's grab our pencils, it's time to start. We're drawing the Hulk so strong and smart. With big green muscles and a mighty roar, watch him smash, he's ready for more. Don't forget to like this video if you love superheroes, and subscribe for more fun. First, let's start with Hulk's big face. Round and strong, it's taken shape. Two fierce eyes, sharp and bright. He's always ready for a fight. Did you know the Hulk was originally gray in his first comic appearance? But printing issues turned him green and they kept it cool, right? Draw, color away. The Hulk is coming to save the day. Strong and bold, big and mean. Let's make him the brightest green. Hit that like button if you're having fun, and share with your friends. Next, his mouth, he's got a big frown. When he's angry, he shakes the town. Sharp white teeth and messy black hair. The strongest Avenger, beware. Fun fact, Hulk is stronger the angrier he gets. The madder he is, the harder he smashes. Color, fill it in. Hulk is green from head to chin. His purple pants so ripped and cool. Now he's ready to break the rules. Subscribe to Kids Knowledge Club for more superhero fun. We color his muscles big and strong, with veins that pop when fights go long. His mighty fist, ready to go. The angrier he gets, the more he glows. Did you know Hulk once held up a whole mountain in the comics? Over 150 billion tons, that's some serious strength. And now we're done. Look at that, the Hulk is here, big and fast. Thanks for drawing along today. See you next time, hip hip hooray! Like, share, and subscribe to Kids Knowledge Club for more awesome drawings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.